Okay, so when I make a mixed worksheet, you need to be able to look at it and tell. Okay, so we can add these two together, and what's going to cancel? Yeah, the x's. Okay, so then everything else you add straight down. So negative 10y plus negative 6y, negative 16y equals negative, or 9 plus negative 9. 0. Okay, and then what? Divide by negative 16. Okay, so we're going to get y equals 0. Okay, now what do we do with that? What do we do with that? Plug it in to where? Either one. Okay, which one do you want to use? Second one? Negative 9x plus or minus 6y equals negative 9. Okay, so I just wrote down the second equation. Some of you guys are having trouble plugging it in. Okay, you can write down the equation like this. What did we find? We found the y. So what is going to be easier for some of you guys is just to write down the equation and then go through with your eraser, okay, and erase the y right there and put parentheses 0. Okay? Some of you guys got mixed up yesterday. Make sure if it's the y, put it in for the y. If it's the x, put it in for the x. That's where some of you guys went wrong yesterday. Okay, so 6 times 0 is 0. Okay, you can put nothing or you can put minus 0. Okay, it's not going to change anything. So if you said 0, you can say plus 0, which is like doing some extra steps. Okay. And then what? Divide by negative 9. So we get x equals 1. Okay. And then what?
1 comma negative 9.
Try again. 1 comma.
Oh, 0.
0. You're fine.
I'll look at something else.
Okay, 1 comma 0. What is that called? Solution. Okay, what is the solution? What's the solution? Okay. It's the answer to what? A system of equations. Okay. What is a system of equations? Somebody started it. What's a system of equations? You gotta know it. It's vocab. It's gonna be on your test. Okay, close. It's 2 or more. Okay, 2 or more equations that are on the same problem. Okay. Number 3. What can we cancel? The y's. Okay. Okay, so negative 2 plus 3. It's going to be 1x equals negative 15 plus 25. Huh? 10, good. We got 10. Okay, and then what? Divide by 1. What is 10 divided by 1? 10. Good. Which equation would you like to use? Second one? Okay, so, and same thing, if you want to do it this way, you can. So we can say 3x minus y equals 25. What did we find? The x, okay? So you can go through with your pencil and erase. Okay, and you don't have to do it that way. You can draw the parentheses straight off the back for those of you guys that know what you're doing, okay? Okay, so 3 times 10? 30 minus y equals 25. Okay, now what? Quit whispering, somebody. Minus 30 So I got minus,
Negative 5.
-5. Okay, some of you guys probably wrote down y equals -5. It is not y equals -5. Okay, there's a negative y, which means what's in front of the y? A 1, -1. Okay, so you still need to do what?
Divide.
Yeah, you're gonna still need to divide by a -1, or just a negative, which is gonna make y equals what? 5.
10, 5.
10, 5, good. What is this? How do you know? Okay, how big should our numbers be? Or how, no bigger than what? A 10. Okay, so if you get 35, is that right? No. Okay, what if you get a fraction? No. Okay, decimal? No. Okay, so, they should be 10 or less, okay? Okay, 5. What can we cancel? The x's. Okay? So we can add these together, and our x's are going to cancel. 9 plus -7. Huh? 2y equals -23 plus 17. Six? Huh? -6? Sure. Okay, and then what? Divide by 2. Bevan, you alright? Okay. -6 divided by 2. -3. Okay, now what?
We have to choose one of the.
Which one do you want to use?
First one.
Okay, so I got -x plus 9, and instead of y, what am I putting? -3 equals -23. Okay, what is 9 times -3? -27. Okay, then what?
Divide. Oh,
Add 27, good. -23 plus 27.
104.
-23.
Oh.
I think you said times, right?
Oh, I'll put 1.
Huh? What?
4.
4?
I can put 1.
What equals 4?
X.
Try again.
X.
No, try again.
1.
Right now, what should it say? -x equals 4. Okay? Don't put x because there's a -x, which means what's in front of it? A 1. Okay, there's really a 1 right here. And so now what do you need to do? Yeah, we need to divide by -1. Okay, which is going to make it x equals -4. I don't know if that's what some of you guys are talking about or not, but
-4.
I didn't want to spoil it.
-4, comma 3. -3, I mean.
Good, -4, comma, -3. Some of you guys are still getting those coordinates backwards. Which one comes first?
X.
The x comes first, okay? Then obviously the y.